Hello, I'm Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. So we are going to be looking at past question, to be precise, 2025, this year past question, and we're going to be using the WASSCE marking scheme for 2025. Okay, this is to prepare the student who want to write the next year, 2026 and 2027 above, to guide you so that you don't go offline when answering this kind of question. As a matter of fact, some people were really going offline while I was marking the live script, so I do not want repetition of these mistakes. Okay, so please, this video is just to serve as a guide. If you are you are planning to write WASSCE 2026 2027, this video is going to help you. And please, you might not really need this video. You know someone who needs this video. Please share. Please share. Okay, let's talk about the question. Question 1, physics, part 1. You are expected to answer 5 questions for part 1 and 3 questions for part 2. So we are going to be looking at the 5 questions for part 1 using the WASSCE marking scheme. But in this video, I'm only going to be talking about question 1. Okay, so you have to check the next and the next 4 subsequent questions. I read the question. A missile is launched vertically upward with an initial velocity u at an angle theta to the horizontal. It travels a horizontal distance r, capital letter R, often referred to as the range, which is represented by the expression r is equal to u squared sine 2 theta over g. Determine the dimension of r. Okay, now I know this kind of question, there are so many ways you can solve this question, but however, WASSCE marking scheme, okay, this is where you are going to earn your mark. Okay, no matter the method you are going to be using to solve this problem, this is exactly what will earn you mark. Okay, let's check it out. For bringing out the question you were given, this expression was given in the question. R is equal to u squared sine 2 theta over g was given in the question. If you are able to bring this out, you earn 1 mark. Some students now will be so in a hurry that they won't copy this. Okay, you just start solving straight without copying the question. You have lost 1 mark. You have lost 1 mark. So you copying the question again, you earn 1 mark, and then this one earns you another mark. Of course, this is not going to give you anything. This is velocity, initial velocity, and velocity is measured in meter per second. Okay, it's measured in meter per second. Remember, it's squared. That's why we are saying squared. And then this is acceleration due to gravity, is measured in meter per second squared. Let me guide you. Okay, now we know that the unit of velocity is what? Meter per second. This is the same thing as meter all over second, right? Now meter is for length, so we have L here. Second is for time. Okay, so we have time here. So remember, it is squared, u squared. So if we square this, you have what? L squared all over what? T squared. Okay, now if I'm to take this up, it will come with what? A minus. So it will become L squared T minus square. Are you following? That's how they came about this. But however, all this long story will not earn you any mark. So if you are familiar with the formula, you know that meter per second, you have m squared all over f squared. You just go straight to the point, and then you have this. Then acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. The unit of acceleration due to gravity is what? We have meter per second squared. So it means it's m all over what? This is pi, means over second. This is for meter goes with what? Length. Seconds goes with what? Time. So we have t squared, right? So if I'm to simplify this, this becomes L t minus 2. And that is how they got this. All right. So 1 L, we cancel 1 L, we are left with L. This we cancel T, and then this is the final answer. So for bringing out this, no matter the long procedure you use, this is where you earn 1 mark. If you are able to provide this, you earn 1 mark. And then correct final answer, if you have the final, you get the answer correctly, you have 1 mark. And then you have 3 marks in total. 3 marks in total. Okay, I'm Sibukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.